Hello there. In continuity with my previous screencasts, in today's video, I am going to show you how to use custom formatting and nested if function when preparing measurement sheets based on approved inspection requests for any partially executed works which required several inspection requests to complete the work. For this particular video, I prepared the following measurement sheets for supply and laying, including bed and surround, backfilling, and duct marker works of road crossing work. For example, I have divided the inspection requests into 4 parts based on the estimated percentage of duct crossing works at a particular chainage for a particular duct number for the interim payment purposes. First, I will type here for duct crossing number 1, I will type here WDC 01A, and this for excavation preparation laying, and for sand and surround, and for the first and second layer WDC 01B, and similarly I can write for third layer and for duct marker. But however, by using custom formatting, we can type as shown here. Either we will click, after right click, we will click for format cells, or by using a keyboard shortcut Ctrl+1. So we'll go to custom and we'll type under quotation mark a code WDC. Let me make it capital, and I'll close the quotation for the number 00, and again I will open a quotation mark and I will type A, and I will close the quotation mark and OK. And if I type 1, it will come, the code will be shown here. Then I will copy up to here. Then after that I will change this A into B, this one into C, and finally it will be D. After that I will copy the formats up to the required limit. Now for WDC number 2, if I will only type tuner, then it will be automatically, the code will be shown like this. Okay. Now the next one is to calculate the percentage payable of for a particular inspection request when the work is completed for a particular parts of the works. So here I will use if nested functions, and I will type if cell B7 is greater than 0. This is the logical test, our condition, and the value of will be true, which will be 65%. Otherwise, it will be 0. But here, since later we will copy the formula up to the required limit, I have to freeze this B7 by using absolute reference. Either I will click F4 key, or we can type also the dollar signs both in row and column section, but we will leave the other one as it is. Okay, plus if C7 is greater than 0. If it is true, it will be 20. Then again, we'll click F4 key, insert F4 key, and we will lock or freeze cell C5. Otherwise, it will be 0. Plus if this cell greater than 0, and if it is true, it will be D5. Again, we will lock up the cell. If it is false, it will be 0. Plus if cell E7 greater than 0, if it is true, it will be this cell E5, and we will freeze this cell by clicking F4 key. If it is false, it will be 0. Now, since only we inserted the excavation in preparation laying, since it is 65%, if the sand and surrounding first and second layer is completed, and if the inspection requested approved, just I will click 1, and this automatically will be 85. If the third layer is completed, 95. If duct marker later at the completion of the works is installed, it will be 100%. So I will drag down up to the required limit. Okay, I think there is a mistake here. Here is a mistake. Not C1, not this one. This is F. This should be without any reference. So B5 should be locked. Now it's okay. So we have to make sure that which cell has to be locked. The cell has to be locked is the percentage here. Okay, for example, if it is 2B, and let's say here we have 3A, so the formula will calculate it as it's shown here. So by using custom formatting and a nested if function, we can easily calculate the percentage payable of duct crossing works, and for the quantity we can drag down as it's shown here, because there is no length here. Let's say this length is 11, so the formula will automatically down shown here.